2, 1, go.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Get off! I call that one.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Grab as many bullets as possible.
Oh, time's up. Time's up.
That's my gun. No, Houston, you can't just take my base like that. Or my gun. Can't do that.
It's Hunger Games.
I don't care. I just stole it from you. Stop, Houston.
You can shoot him. Shoot him.
I can't. Just how many bullets? Are you? He's getting ready to finesse me. Houston, quit! Jeez, you freaking idiot.
1, go.
Where are all the bullets? Oh my God.
It's 10 seconds, dude. You can't shoot yet.
I didn't know that.
Oh, I am going to die very soon. I got like nothing. See, I only have 1 shot.
How much more time do you have?
That's time, isn't it?
Oh crap!
You're dead.
You're good.
What? No.
I already shot you in the torso.
He didn't say go yet.
Yeah, he did. He said go. They're shooting already.
Yeah, we're doing. Yeah, okay. If he didn't know, it's okay. Just let him come back to life. He died earlier.
Dang it. I only got this.
Huh?
I only got this.
I only have this. And then I also have a disc gun and a cartridge with no discs.
God, this gun doesn't work.
Oh. You just shoot me? You're dead. Yes.
Stop, Houston! I'm out of bullets. What the heck? Guys, I have to reload my magazine.
Doesn't matter.
You're out of bullets. You have to figure out some way or you're gonna die.
Well, I'm dead. I'm already dead, Ethan. Don't shoot me.
I just killed Jacob. 1, go.
Yeah.
No!
Ah.
Hey, he's boot
Whoa. God, Jacob, he's dead. Jacob's down. Jacob's down. Oh my God. What the heck? What the
Hey, Jacob, I just killed you. Jacob, you're dead. I already shot you. Stop. Jacob, you're dead. You're dead, you idiot. I shot you at the start, you idiot.
I hit your chest.
I shot him in the back. You're dead, Jacob.
Why are you...
Because you're dead. You're dead. Shut up, you.
Ethan is literally the only one that ever counts as a Why do you hate me so much?
I'll shoot you, Houston.
You should have done that. We'll do that next time, Jacob.
Give me that arm.
There's lots of things. If you don't look like you can go upstairs and do nothing.
Okay, let's do this. Drop ammo. Oh shoot.
Don't kill each other at the same time.
Okay. Me and Houston left.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit in this chair. 'Cause I'm dead.
Trevor, don't have any ammo.
My leg. Oh, I'm dead.
Jason just unloaded.
Dude, it wouldn't shoot. It just stopped shooting.